So this is where we want to talk about today, deposit method. Now when we talk about deposit method, it is an option that allows the third party or your customer to be able to deposit into his or her account directly without even calling you. The money will come to your bank account directly. We have so many gateways that you can use for that purpose. So automatic gateway, when you hit on automatic gateway, it takes you to all the gateways that we have run so far. So those of you who are into this business already, you know about this gateway that help you to collect money from the third person. We have the PayPal system that accepts Visa card and all the card you can think about. We have the Stripe account, we have the Riser Pay, we have the Pay Stack that also allow you to take Momo directly into your platform. We have the blockchain, the Flutterwave, the Vogue Pay, the Molly Pay. We also have the coin payment, and then we have the Haptel. So log in into the platform as a customer. You also need your email or your account number and then your password to be able to access the platform. Now, in case you don't have email and password to access the platform, you can go to create my account section here, and then this nice form will pop up for you like this to fill your information and create an account for yourself directly into the bank or into the microfinance or the Susu platform you want to join. So this one, I am logging in with an account number and the temporary password to the system. Boom, here I am as a customer. So this one is the customer dashboard. Now when the customer log in, this is what the customer see: the account number, account type, the currency, balance, loan details, and then the current balance. Now you go on, and when you look at here, the customer has a very nice overview dashboard of his account, his or her account. So this is overview of recent transaction. Now you can see the date and time, the account number, and then account type, the amount involved, the method, either deposit or withdrawal, the status, and then the customer itself can even view his or her receipt and print. So now let's view one of the receipts here and then see how it look like on the customer platform. So this is how the customer receipts look like. Once the customer click on view and print, you get it like this, and then he or she can print it by hitting on print. And once you are connected to a printer, it goes on, and then you can print your receipts directly as a customer from wherever you are. Now this customer do not always need to give money to your field agent or to bring money to the bank before he or she can deposit. He can just go here directly into his account menu and then go to make deposit. This is what the customer can do: make deposit, transfer money. So make deposit, have instant deposit, manual deposit, and then in transfer, the customer have access to transfer to own account. So supposing the customer is having two accounts, all the two accounts will be displaying here, and then which one the customer want to transfer money to. Now transfer to another account. That is, the customer want to transfer money from customer A to customer B. Now my loan details. Now the customer has an option to apply for his loan and then check his loan calculator, check everything about the loan that the company is running before applying. Now make withdrawal. The customer can also alter for a withdrawal. The customer can print his or her account statement, transaction report, and then account balance. Now let's look at account statement. So when the customer hits on the account statement, it load. He or she can have access to this. Select the date, the start date, and then the end date. So supposing I want to check my account statement from, let's say, last 3 months, May to current day, select my account number, and then I'll just filter it as a customer. From the comfort of my house, I can check my bank statement, my account statement. So this is the account statement from May to July on my account, and you can see date and time, description, credit, debit. We have debit and we have credit, and then we have the balances here. Very perfect. Now I can print this as a customer, or I can save it to PDF, or export it to Excel, or copy to my drive. So now let's go to the menu bar again of the customer. Now this time around, the customer want to check transaction report, so hit on transaction report here, then it quickly load to the transaction report page. So boom, here we are on the transaction report. Now the customer again is the one performing all this thing with his or her smartphone or tablet or laptop or computer or PC, whatever device the customer is using. Now the customer can also filter the date for his transaction, maybe from April to current month. Select the transaction type. Is it deposit I want to check? Is it withdrawal I want to check? Is it transfer that I've made on my account? Is it my loan payment? Is it the interest I have paid so far? Is it the fees or charges? Is it the maintenance fee on my account, or commissions I have paid on my account? So these are the informations the customer, or passbook fee I've paid for. The customer can check. So let me say the customer wants all information. We just select all information, and now the status. Is it the pending transactions, the complete transaction, or the cancelled transaction? So probably maybe I want to see everything. So all. Now account. I will select, if I have multiple accounts, I will select the one I want. Now then I'll hit on filter. Boom. So here we are. I have my transaction report in front of me from my house. I don't need to call my bank HR or to worry the bank or to do what? Print or save it to PDF or export it to Excel or copy to pen drive or any other device that he or she want to copy it to. Now when we go to the interesting part, that is the deposit, where the customer can sit in his comfort home and do deposit. Once the customer hit on deposit, go to instant deposit. The customer will have access to whichever deposit method the bank is accepting. Now here, for example, PayPal deposit method, and then a Paystack mobile money pay. So supposing I want to pay into my account, I don't need to go to the bank. If I have money on my Momo, I can just transfer it to my bank account. Just go to select deposit now. Then I select my account number. Supposing I'm having a lot of accounts, I'll just select the one I want to credit. And then I enter the amount. Let's say I want to credit this time. I'm crediting, let's say, 20 CD. Go on. So you enter your money, 20 CD. You hit on proceed. Once you click on it, it comes. Payment, confirm your payment. You are paying 20 CD. MTN is probably charging you for 40 pesos. That is the e-levy things that they are calling and all that. Now you go to pay now. When you hit on pay now, it comes pop up for you. Do you want to use mobile money to fund your account, or you want to use bank card? All the options are there. You can use any of the option that you want. So me, I want to use mobile money. Then the system requests my mobile money. I enter my mobile money number. It tells me it's an MTN number. Confirm. Yes, I am confirming. Now it is prompting me on my phone to enter my Momo pin. So I am entering the Momo pin on my other phone, and then I confirmed. Once I confirm, it responds here, saved. You see, the system is operating successfully. The money has been added to my account successfully. So the 20 CD has gone to the bank and is added to my account directly without any worry. And when I come here, I can see the deposit. So you can see 17th July 11 p.m. that I am doing this audio. My account number, amount credited is 20 CD, and then status completed. The type is deposit. It is telling me you can view and print your receipt. So let's view my receipt and see if it is true. Now I view my receipt. It is here. So I am showing all this, and then I have the option as a customer to also print this receipt. I can print it. Boom, voila, here we are to print that receipt. So this is the new features we have added to make the customer and then the bank, to make the work so easy for both the customer and then the bank. We are the best software developers when it comes to this kind of software. We have banking software, we have school management software, hospital management software, filling stations management software, we have restaurants software, we have supermarket software, we have e-commerce software, we also have insurance management software for insurance companies, we have SMS integration APIs, all SMS integration that you can think about, being it bulk SMS, bulk email sending, voice email sending, mp1digital.com. That is our website. And also when you look at the video description, we will be having all the links there for you to even go through our demo platforms. Now the customer has finished depositing the money. The customer deposits money finished, the customer will also receive SMS notification and email alerts confirming his or her deposit, aside even the receipts he's seeing in his system. Now this is the deposit confirmation email that I have just received from the bank, which I want to open it for us to see. It is confirming the deposit. You can see MP1 Microfinance, dear blah 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 blah, my deposit is this and that, my balance is this and that. So after the customer finished depositing money into his Susu or savings or whatever account he has with a one microfinance, he can also send it to another microfinance. Let's say how from the customer hit on withdraw money and then go to bank transfer, make transfer. Now once the customer hit on make transfer, boom, once I hit on withdraw transfer bank, I'll have the option to select my account. This is what the customer is doing from his comfort home. Now enter the amount he wants to transfer from his Susu account or savings account to his bank account. The system is telling you that you can transfer between 100 cedi to 5,000 cedi into your bank account. Now I want to transfer 1,000, which the system allows. I'll have to enter my bank name, my bank account number, the account name, and then the branch SWIFT code, the bank SWIFT code, and then the phone number. Now my microfinance bank is telling me with the instruction here that they will have to call me to approve. Yes, I confirm that they should call me to approve the transaction before they release my fund to my bank account. Then I'll add my description. The customer will attach his Ghana card here and submit. Once the customer submits this transaction, it goes to the microfinance administrator or the teller to verify. Call the customer. Have you indeed authorized, let's say, 1,000 cedis to Fidelity Bank? Yes, I do. Then they proceed. Can we proceed sending the money? Yes. Then the bank or the microfinance can now proceed releasing the money or approving the money to go and land into your various accounts, which is the few ones that you can send money to are EcoBank, Fidelity, Access Bank, FBN, and FNB Bank in Ghana. You can actually move money from our platform to those particular platforms successfully. Thank you so much. This is the end of today's tutorial concerning customer handling when it comes to MP1 digital software. Remember to like, share, leave your comment at the comment section, and also please don't forget to hit on the subscription button. Please